a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
I know there are many of you out there who, once in a while feel that the pizza they are eating should not have so much of dairy cheese and of course the white bread flour. So here I am in this episode to bring to you a healthy pizza, which of course is made up of healthy ingredients. And what to say more? Let's start with the recipe. This is finger millet, which I washed, then soaked these in water. Later on, I drained the water after 1 day and left these to sprout for 3 days. Yes, 3 days. It takes a longer time for millet to sprout than any other legumes. Once it is sprouted well, the nutritional value is elevated. Now we can grind this to a smooth paste. Here I have thyme. It is dry. Let's add thyme, salt. I prefer to use Himalayan salt, usually little turmeric powder, and I also like to add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and garlic flakes for more flavor. Blend this once again. Now to a hot pan, I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil. This oil should not be of strong smell. Just cook this until the batter thickens. How simple it is to make the ragi or finger millet dough. Now we can easily make the pizza base to have the delicious and healthy pizza. To roll the dough easily, I am taking ragi flour. In case you can't find the millet pearls, you can also take the ragi flour, which is available in the grocery stores, and make a dough like this. So make a ball and cover this into the ragi flour or finger millet flour and roll this into a round pizza base. Isn't this great that we are making the pizza base without any yeast, without baking soda and without baking powder? It is gluten-free as well as a healthy choice. And for a really time-saver pizza sauce, I make this within 2 minutes. I take 3 tablespoons of Peri sauce, 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and around half teaspoon of soya sauce, dry oregano and dry parsley, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Give this a good mix. After the toppings are being placed on the pizza base beautifully, now I am using this gluten-free and vegan cheese slices. These are Violife mozzarella cheese slices which are vegan and gluten-free. It gives an awesome taste on every dish. Sprinkle this with the dry oregano, but in case you want to use the regular cheese on this finger millet pizza base, the results will look like this. Finally, it looks so awesome.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón.
Our pizza is ready. This was my recipe for today. If you want to lose weight and you want something delicious to eat that is gluten-free and is vegan, this pizza is perfect for any occasion. And if you are not vegan, you use the mozzarella cheese. This is the kind of pizza you will get. So, we'll meet in the next episode, bringing to you another great recipe. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Goodbye.